vehicles you assembled will make the city lively. Drive together to help your little friends.
अरे घूरना बंद करो, पहले सब्सक्राइब करो।
Hearing test. What's that sound? Rooster. No, listen again. Bird. Sheep. Baby. Measuring weight and height. Lulu's weight, 21 kilograms. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Height test. Move the magnifying glass to look for patterns. Correct. We found the pattern. Correct. We found them all. You have good eyesight.
Thank you.
ECG measurement. Sort them by color. Right place, which is the same color. Yes, you're right. The checkup is finished. Your heartbeat is normal.
Thank you for your help. A gift box for you. Guess what it will be?